She like why daw you love black guys? Why?
Ano? What?
Bakit daw mahal mo ang gustong-gusto mo ang mga itim?
Dahil okay naman sila sa akin. Yun nga, sabi ko nga, bukod sa malinis, marespeto sila.
They are clean and they are
respect to each
respected.
other.
Oh, okay. At least she's saying it. And she love black guy. Do you wanna marry a black guy?
No.
No?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe the another, she's loved me, I will marry, but I'm not loved me, I will stay.
If you don't if the guy is love you, it's okay.
Yeah.
But if he don't, ano?
But if you don't love me,
if he don't love you,
I will not marry.
You will not marry him.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, at least, but they treated you nice,
Yeah,
right?
hindi ko kailangan ipagsiksikan ng sarili ko sa isa kung ayaw naman sa akin.
Oh, sorry honey if you don't like me. 'Di ba? Kung ayaw mo sa akin, di wag ka learn.
Yes.
That's right. If the person doesn't like you, don't force yourself to him or don't beg for love, cause fuck love.